Hello beloved, I want to thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. On today's episode, we'll be making my really easy plantain chips recipe. If you are interested in making this recipe, please stay tuned and we'll take it step by step. Let me go ahead and introduce the ingredients we are going to need. So here I have 2 plantains, I have my salt, and this is my grater. You can either use this grater or you can simply use knife to cut your plantains into slices, like really tiny slices. Also, you need your water. We are going to soak the sliced plantains into the water for about a good 10 to 15 minutes. And before we do that, we are going to pour our salt in there, make it salty water, and then have the starch eliminate from the plantain before frying them. So please stay tuned and we'll take it step by step like I stated before. Once again, I want to thank you so much for coming by today. May God richly bless you. And remember that life without Jesus Christ is lifeless. Until next time, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to pour all the salt in here to create my salty water. Just give it a little stir and have the salt dissolve in the water. Secondly, I'm going to move on how to peel the plantains and then go ahead and show you how I slice it. Please keep watching. So I start back by cutting the tips of the plantain. Okay. Then slice it from top to bottom. From the bottom like that. If you can't get through, just use your knife to kind of do the opening, okay? And if you're able to get the opening like that, then it will be much easier for you to peel it gradually like that. So just peel it all around. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Then you're going to use your knife to take all those brown stuff away from the plantain. Make sure it's clean. Wash it a little bit and then let's start slicing them. Okay, that's simply it. So at this point, I'm going to show you how I slice the plantain. I'll first cut it from the middle. And you can cut it to whatever shapes that you like. The round shape is typically popular. And make sure it's sliced very tiny, like really tiny. I'll show you an example. See this? So I have finished slicing my plantains and I'm just going to soak them in the water, the salt water that we made earlier on. And this will eliminate some of the starch inside the plantain. So we are going to do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And then when we come back, we'll be frying them. Please keep watching. So at this point, I'm going to drain all the salty water from the sliced plantain. It's time for us to fry them, so let's drain all the excess water from it. And I have my oil on medium heat. I believe it's ready for us to start frying them. Okay, shake the excess water out. Okay. So this is my oil. It's gonna be deep frying. So please keep watching as we start. So I'm gonna test to see whether our oil is hot enough for us to start frying it. It looks like it is. So this is our paper towel. We are going to use it to drain the excess oil from our plantain chips. And this is the scooping spoon. We are going to use it to scoop our fried plantain from the oil. So please keep watching as we fry them. If you are looking for a very simple, delicious snack, this is it. It's one of my favorite snacks. And you have it with a nice cold drink. Oh my god, it doesn't get any better than that. Make sure you give this recipe a try and let me know all about it. So let's allow it to fry and then I'll come and show you the final result. Please. So we are just checking back and I want you to know that occasionally you can stir it to prevent it from getting burned. Just give it a simple stir like that and allow it to continue frying. Looks like it's almost done. Don't they look gorgeous? Oh my god, and they're so delicious. So please keep watching as we finish frying them and then I'll show you the final result. It looks like they are ready, so I'm just going to scoop them out of the oil. And then just drop them on your paper towel. I want to thank you all so much for staying tuned and learning how to make this wonderful recipe. Like I said, give it a try and let me know how it goes. Also, do not forget to share them with your friends and loved ones. These delicious plantain chips, they are so crispy, very crunchy. It goes very, very well with a nice cold drink of your choice. Typically, I eat it with Jamaican, I believe it's called Jamaican ginger drink. Oh, and it goes so great with it. I'm going to show you how crispy it is in just a second. So like I said, give it a try and let me know all about it, okay? I love you all so much with the precious love of God. Alright. So this is it. I'm just going to have it cool for about 30 minutes. And then give it a try. It's still really, really hot, but look at how crispy it is. See? Very, very crispy. I call it crispy goodness. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. Until next time, may God richly bless you. Plantain chips recipe.